Best free video editors for Android without watermark in 2022. 1. VN Video Editor. VN Video Editor is hands down one of the best free video editing software on Android, and you guessed it right, the video editor does not put a watermark as well. What's more, you won't encounter any video or banner ads while editing or exporting the video. It's like the cherry on top of the cake and some more by the sides. A no-nonsense video editor that is equally feature-packed in an intuitive user interface. The whole UI is clean, baked with advanced editing tools like multi-track editing, curve shifting, FX for video effects, BG for background enhancement, freeze, filters, and more. Not to mention, you can create videos in various dimensions and aspect ratio in just a few taps. Further, you have all the standard video editing tools such as trim, split, speed, etc. Apart from that, those who want a music library of various sound effects would love VN Video Editor, as it features a large collection of sounds. All in all, VN Video Editor is a perfect video editor for Android without watermark. If you have been looking for a powerful and free TikTok video editor, you must give it a try. 2. VLLO. VLLO is quite a popular app for creating vlogs on the fly, but you can use it to edit any kind of videos. The video editor is completely free and does not feature a watermark on exported videos, which is just great. Not to mention, VLLO is super clean and there are no ads whatsoever. As for the features, the app offers you predefined dimensions for various social media platforms. You can choose one and start editing videos immediately without worrying about the aspect ratio or other technical things. Furthermore, you have a multi-track interface where you can interact with other media elements in one place. Apart from that, VLLO brings text tool, filters, sound effects, voiceover, and more. The best part about VLLO is that it has a feature called Motion Sticker, from where you can add awesome templates, transition effects, animation, and more. In case you are wondering, there is indeed support for motion customization. To conclude, VLLO is a watermark-free video editor on Android that doesn't cost a dime, and it's as capable as the premium ones. 3. Crusoe. Crusoe is a relatively new video editor on Android, but it has quickly gained success because of its free offering and no watermark policy. On top of that, the app does not display any kind of ads while editing, which makes the experience even better. However, keep in mind, to remove the watermark, you will have to watch a small video ad, which I guess is totally fine. Apart from that, you have many outstanding video editing tools on Crusoe. For instance, you have a full-fledged video editor where you can trim, merge, and crop videos. 3. PicsArt Video. PicsArt Video is another video editor on Android that does not charge you anything and yet offers watermark-free videos. However, bear in mind, the app is based out of China, so proceed only if you are not averse to Chinese apps. Moving to features, PicsArt Video offers you the standard video editing tools such as crop, trim, and join. Other than that, you get access to a decent collection of music, and you can even adjust the overall volume of the video. And just like other video editors on this list, you can change the background of videos, manage the video speed, add text in many stylized fonts, and more. PicsArt Video also brings something called Embellish, which allows you to add filters, mosaics, and stickers to the video. Having said that, keep in mind, you can only save videos up to 720p under the free plan. Simply put, PicsArt Video is a simple and straightforward video editor on Android that doesn't put a watermark and offers most of its features for free.